everyone, welcome to Code and Square AI channel. In this video we will talk about binary searching algorithm example. Okay, we will do the example of binary searching algorithm because of in previous video, in this playlist in previous video we talk about what is binary search. Today we'll talk about its example. In this example we will search text. In this example we will work on this. How we can search any text using binary searching algorithm. So let's get started. So for example, we will search names. In previous video I gave the example of numbers, but in this example we'll talk about search text. We will search text. So first we will make function. Making function. So we will df keyword. After the keyword, then I will give the name binary search. Binary underscore search. We know that binary search. Binary search. Search any data in sorted data. So our data must be sorted. If our data is not sorted, then binary search will not work properly. So so this is the rule for binary search. So our names. I will give the at the end this is a parameter, and I will give the at the, when I will call up with this function, and then I will give the sorted data. Sorted names. Then I will say that search. Search name. Which name you want to search. Then using indexing. Now we will use indexing approach. Indexing approach. So let's, for example, our law. Our law means, like, for example, I'll give our left. 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 We'll give the index 0. And in right. Right. To the right. Right. To the right. To the right, I will give the length of this names list. Subtract -1 because of we count from 1, but Python count indexing from the 0. That's why we subtract -1. Subtract 1. So now we will use the while loop. While we will give it if this left. Left. Talk about left. Less than. Left less than. If the left was less than equal to, like, for example, if the left was greater than equal to right. So we will use the less. If this left was less than is equal to this right. Right. Then what will do? Then we'll find the mid, because of we know that in binary search we divide the sorted data into alls. If into the left or right. So like that. So so that need the mid. We'll divide the into a mid. So I will give the mid. What will I give the mid? I will give the mid. So I will say that left plus left plus right. Then I will divide. Then I am taking the floor, because of I need the result. I need result in integer. Integer. So I do not need the float. So that's why. Mid. So mid. Then I press. Then we will get then what we will get the half. Half. So then I'll use the condition. Using the condition. Using the condition. If if names. If names. I will give the this list names, and I'll give the indexing. At this mid. Mid. Equal to that our search name. Okay, search, if that was our search name. Okay, if that was equal to our search name. Okay, search name which want to search, then we'll print that name, names mid. Okay, okay, this is I will, okay, I will keep in the, if it is a variable. Okay, is present. Okay, this, okay, okay, like this is present, if that name is present, like John. Okay, John is present. Okay, and okay, if this was not, then we'll the elif. Okay, elif. Okay, if it was the, okay, like for example, okay, now, like for example, okay, this we have list. Okay, for example, our A's name. Okay, A. Okay, comma, our B is also name. Okay, a B, like for example, our C. Okay, C is also name. Imagine we okay, like this name. Okay, D. Okay, D is also, okay, imagine name D. Okay, D is also name. Okay, like this. Okay, first the searching, what will be the searching algorithm? Okay, okay, searching algorithm, okay, will break. Okay, like for example, this is the, okay, 0. Okay, index 0 plus what the length, 1 2 3 4. Okay, we'll take 3 and we'll take the floor. Okay, 3. Okay, 3 or 2 floor will become 1. Okay, 1. Okay, 1. So now we'll compare this. Okay, if our search, okay, if like for example our search name is equal to C. Okay, C. Okay, if our search, okay, name is what, C, then, okay, then this, okay, this one is coming. Okay, so now we'll compare this one with this B, because of index 1 is this, like it is not. Okay, it is not, so the C is now greater. Okay, now it's the greater. Okay, so now what will you do now? Okay, in this mid, okay, in this mid, okay, we will plus 1. Okay, what we will do, we will plus 1. Okay, okay, we will do the plus 1 in which condition? Okay, like this condition. Okay, okay, in this condition, like for example, okay, we'll say that, okay, if, okay, if this name, okay, names, okay, like for example, this name it, okay, name it less than, okay, less than, if this made less than, okay, from this searching, or okay, for searching, okay, name, if it was less, okay, this one the last. Okay, then we'll plus 1. Okay, okay, plus 1. If it was, okay, then we'll use the minus. Okay, like this. Okay, like in this, okay, condition. So elif, okay, so like elif, okay, names, okay, names mid, okay, name it less than, okay, less than what, search name. Okay, search name, what, which name, search. Okay, search name, for example, okay, less than, okay, less than search name, then, okay, then we will use the plus 1. Okay, so then we will use, okay, okay, names mid plus equal to 1. Okay, then we'll plus 1 equal, okay, in else, okay, then we'll say that names, okay, mid, names mid, okay, we will mine, okay, we will subtract 1. Okay, like it this. Okay, like this we will do. Okay, then, okay, then, okay, like this. Okay, like in this. Okay, so now, okay, okay, so like this. Okay, it work like this. Okay, so when, okay, it came, then, okay, okay, if, okay, if it was not present. Okay, not present. Okay, okay, if name, okay, if it was not present, then we will return. Okay, and what we will return, then we will return, then we will return, okay, minus 1. Okay, then we will return minus 1, then we will return what, then we will return, okay, then we will not, then we will return not present. Okay, so like for, then we will return the minus. Okay, okay, minus 1, here we use, here we use, Okay, -1 for not not present name. Okay, not present name. Okay, not present name. Okay, then we'll if okay. Okay, like for example, now we will give. Okay, like for example, now we'll okay one variable result. Okay, so where is my cursor? Okay, now this result. Okay, in this we will I will call the function. Okay, the function is binary search, and I will give the names. Okay, in sorted. Okay, sorted. So like for example, okay, what was the name? Okay, names. Okay, names. Okay, like for example, I'll give the names in this like in okay in sorted. So I will give like okay names like okay like A. Okay, imagine like A, comma B, okay B, comma C, and comma D, like this. Okay, like these names. Okay, okay, like this. Okay, that is now sorted form. Okay, okay, now it is in sorted. It is sorted like for it is sorted. Okay, it is sorted. Okay, it is what it is sorted. So I will give the names. Okay, and what want search? Okay, want search like for example A. Okay, want search what I will also give the name. Okay, here. Okay, search underscore name. Okay, search underscore name. Okay, search underscore name. Okay, here we will give what like for example you want search D. So I will give no I want search B. Okay, let's B we will search. Okay, so here we will give the search. Okay, search name. Okay, now we will use okay for example if if result I will also return it. Okay, so then it will be no confusion. Okay, okay, will also return it. Okay, okay, also return it, and I will format it string here. Okay, if result okay if result okay if result equal to if that was -1. Okay, we know that. Okay, then we'll print. Okay, okay, like for example we'll say that search. Okay, like for example we will use that search formatting. Okay, okay, search underscore name is not present. Okay, is not present. Else. Okay, then else we will print. Okay, else then we will print. Okay, okay, then we'll print. Okay, like for example then we'll print. Okay, we are formatting string again, and I will give okay search name. After search name, then after that is present. Okay, present. Okay, present. Okay, like this it work. Okay, now for example I will run it. Okay, now for example okay b is present. Okay, b is present, so that okay there is coming b is present. Now imagine okay like that number we will insert here. Okay, that name which is not present like D. Okay, like E. So our output will be now the E. Okay, I inserted the E. Okay, now E is present, E is not present. Okay, like for example that E is not present, that's okay they are giving the result, they are responding that E is not present. Okay, for today that is enough. Inshallah we will meet another excited video.